So for this fraction, we can, since we have divided by a fraction, we can multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to get x over 3x minus 2 times 9x squared minus 4 over x. I just flipped the bottom thing and multiplied it. So now you can see that, of course, the x's cancel. But actually, before that, we should, look at factoring everything and then finding what factors we need to exclude from the denominator. So this is the difference of two squares. It's 3x being squared here and 2 being squared. So this is actually the same thing as 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2. Okay. Now, from the original one, we can see 3x minus 2 is in the denominator, and this one's also in the denominator, and this one's the same thing as 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2. So we know that 3x minus 2 cannot equal 0, and 3x plus 2 cannot equal 0. That means x cannot equal plus or minus, it's going to be 2/3. Plug 2/3 into here, positive 2/3, you're going to get 2 minus 2 is 0. Plug in negative 2/3 here, you're going to get negative 2 plus 2 is 0. So those must be excluded. And you can also see that when I flip this, x is now in the denominator, which means x cannot equal 0 itself. That will give us a 0 in the denominator. So with that done, now we can cancel common factors. We have an x and an x, and a 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2 there, right? This is in parentheses. So what that remains, nothing in the denominator, which means it's just 1. And in the numerator, we get just 3x plus 2. So it's just 3x plus 2, where x cannot equal plus or minus 2/3 or 0. And that is the full solution.